Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay in your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. And all of you who are new right on over here, special welcome. Thank you so much. All those that were there from the beginning and you're still here, manners and respect. Now today, I want to share with you a little different dish. You can also take it and make it your own, but I'm showing you how I do it. I'm going to do for you today a curry saltfish stew. And you did hear me, curry saltfish stew. So you know the very first thing you're supposed to have some saltfish. You can use boneless too. Boneless is okay because it takes up less time to prepare. And of course you've got to have some curry. Okay? So now right on over here, you know the name with the curry. Okay? We have the oil right there. Alright. Now we're gonna use some chopped scallion to burn in our oil before we put in the curry. And all you are new over here, I'm using some frozen scallions today. And you who are watching me and you're also on the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train, I'm gonna do for you a video and show you how you prepare your scallions, how you can freeze them and keep them. These were left to be frozen for about 3 months now, and these are how fresh they are, but you have got to do them a specific way. So we have some frozen scallions, so we're gonna cut them as per usual. You know, I showed you, I told you. So you know, so now that they're frozen, them have water inside of them. So you're going to have your heat down because we're going to burn them and the oil is in there, and you know what is going to happen. So probably you might have to put on your cover. So we're going to put these frozen scallions in there, and you don't make the oil too hot from the beginning. Let it come up with it. So we're going to burn them frozen scallion here in this oil. Okay? Whilst our frozen scallions are being burned, right back on over here, we are going to be needing some peanuts. Look at peanuts dumping them because we're doing a curry saltfish stew. Those are to enable the stew to get a little body. Some people might want to put some cornstarch if you want to do that, or right ahead. Okay? Now, these are some tomatoes and some onions. We are going to be using them to prepare the saltfish, and I'll show you how I do that. So we'll have our saltfish in some water here being soaked. So what we're going to do, we're going to throw this water out and we're going to scald the saltfish. Maybe 2 times depending on the amount that you have. This saltfish or codfish, it is this process that it went through, the cured process, has already cooked it. We can't eat saltfish as it is. I'm going to leave for you in the description of this video or saltfish salad. We did not cook it, we never scald it, we never do nothing. We left it to soak and pick it, clean the skin and all of that. Saltfish can be eaten as it is. So you don't need to have the saltfish boiling for 10 to 15 minutes and let it up. As soon as it starts boiling and the salt starts pulling out, you just throw off that water. Immediately as it starts boiling, you throw off that water. And if you feel like you want to do it again, just to make sure it's not too salty, you do it. You know, put the saltfish in the water, and when it starts boiling, the salt starts pull out of it, you have it boiling till it absorbs the salt. That doesn't make sense, okay? So, we have our scallions here, and we could get to eat up a bit. You see how the frozen scallion them look fresh in the pot? Yeah. So we'll be uploading that video very soon on the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train. And if you don't know what that is, it is my other channel outside of this cooking channel that will show you how we move around life in a Jamaica. Okay? So that scallion there now, while we're burning it in the oil, it is to get the flavor from the scallions. Inside here, I measure nothing, I don't know that, So my curry are done. So I'm gonna put some curry powder inside here. Okay, due to your liking, we are doing just saltfish. And all of you are asking where I get my curry powder. When you come to Jamaica, you're following me on Instagram, you've got my WhatsApp number. You please get in touch with me. I'll send you where you can get that curry. Now we have that in there, and we're gonna put in some garlic. Do not put in the garlic first, it will garlic all in, and ginger. Please don't leave out the ginger. If you want to leave the garlic, if you don't use garlic. So now that that is happening, you want to let it stay on the low, because the garlic, most of all, is in there. So you want to leave it on a nice little, you know, low flame there. Alright? Now that you have left it on that low flame, you're supposed to have some boiling water. You know that. And if you're new right on over here on the Jamaican cooking journey, you know a part of our thing is, as soon as we start cooking in the kitchen, we must have some water boiling, be it stove top or electric kettle. We need hot water at all times whilst we're cooking. That is how this is going to be, and this is how it's going to stay for now. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to need a little peanuts. I have here a little plain flour. Sometimes we can put a little cornmeal or a little whole wheat flour inside the peanuts. And I have to make the peanuts all white flour all the time. So, but do as you like. So I just left this to show you just a little bit, because this is not a lot of flour. So you put like a little bit just to kind of free up the flour, because you know, so guess what? So much of them hard white, pure white flour, yeah? Sometimes it gives us, you know, constipate way a bit. So we're using saltfish. Normally when you're making the peanuts dough, you put a little salt. Don't put any salt. We try to go low on the salt. If you love a whole heap of salt, well, you can put it. But I am just suggesting go low on the salt. Every single person that cares about their health always try to go on salt, low on salt, especially when you reach a certain age. And if you start from young, it doesn't matter. It's better. Now we are gonna go mush up, riding and whistling right on over here on that low flame right there. All of that will come together. So we're going to have right here, very quickly, very fast, riding and whistling, moving around. And all of you who are messaging me and sending me stuff on Instagram and say, Miss Debbie, I feel good in my kitchen. I'm master in my kitchen. Big up on yourself. I don't remember everybody's name. I feel good. I'm cooking, Miss Debbie. Somebody sent me a comment the other day. I said, her husband said to her, how you get somebody in the kitchen? I hope you tell Ozzy. Let's go now. Mix off this little peanuts dough and return. Peanuts dough all ready. Right on over here. We're going to notch our flame up. And we're going to put in a little water. You notice as we put in the water, what is happening? It starts boiling because the water is hot. Normally when you use cold water, it's gonna lessen the temperature of what is happening, and we don't want that. So right on. Now I think I might have too much peanuts dough. So if that should ever happen to you and you're not rich like me, we're gonna make them like this. We're not gonna make them fat because we're not using meat, we're using saltfish. So look at how you're going to make them for the saltfish. Because we're not using like curry chicken chunks. You know, you cut the chicken and you cut the beef and so. So you make them like this. You don't make them too fat. Okay? So you can always freeze your peanuts dough, man. So that's what I'm going to do. So when we done that, we're now going to come back, come check in and make it so I go on for the curry saltfish stew. Boom. Okay. Look at your peanuts. This is how you want to have them. This is the whole curry thing, curry mixture. You're going to put yourself to the side. As always, as I say, a little more hot water. Put the camera on me. Curry takes at least 25 minutes. 25 the least. So if you go 25 or a little more, up to 30, you can't go wrong. Dumpling, the same thing. Them take 25 for me. So both of them in there. So look here. We get them in there a long time with that talk and I go with a little thing. So I could give them probably about 5 minutes. I'm going to give them 22 minutes. Alright? This is how it looks. Alright. You're going to put it down now to low. This is the little curry thing what we are making. Because the next thing we're going to go scald our saltfish and pick it up. You know all of that. I've done this so many times. You know the norm. So we're going to go now, prepare our saltfish, debone it. When we return, we will be addressing how we prepare the saltfish. And we're going to make the incorporation. And you will see how we proceed from there. Okay, now family, let us see, or let me show you what has happened. This is the peanuts and the curry. It's finished. You see the thickness of the gravy? You have your own little gravy consistency over there. Now, we're going to proceed to start putting our saltfish together. I've got right inside here a reasonable amount, a little oil. Please do not type about the amount of oil. Use the amount of oil that you would like. I am going to be browning off this saltfish, so I need some oil. Okay? So, and I eat and a reasonable amount of oil to get the saltfish all browned up. Okay? When you have finished browning it, if you need to remove some of the oil, we will do it and show you how we do it. Okay, this is like 8 ounces of saltfish, but before I clean and fix it, so you can use more, okay, if your family is big and all of that. So we want this saltfish thing with the oil and some I eat. We will remove some. We want this thing to come brown, so we are going to go brown after saltfish come back and show you how we are going to start out this thing here. Okay, now family, you see how the saltfish brown up and get crispy and nice, okay? And I've removed some of my oil, more than half, because we had to use that amount to get the saltfish brown. It would never brown. The empty pot wouldn't brown. It would just stick up in the pot, and I don't know what would happen. Right here now, we have some carrots. We're going to put in these carrots and make them kind of get with the saltfish a little bit. Cut them like this, or you could cut them a little finer. I'm not sure, but I normally will cut it like this. So now that we have the saltfish, get that little brown up crispy look like, so you want it. So we are gonna go now, but give these about 3 minutes, constant stirring around the carrots and I eat to make them come a little cook through, right? Because right over here we have some tomatoes and we have some onion, and we are gonna finish it up with when we return. On the I eat, and you see the carrot then partially cook because the oil start turning like orange. We're going to put in the onions them now. You can rinse them out before, but as soon you can use your spoon or whatever you're using to rinse them out when you get them in there. Wow, you should be here, family. And can I say something to you? Amaru Cooks, and you know Amaru Cooks. He's on the Jamaican cooking journey. He also has a cooking channel of his own. Go check him out. Amaru Cooks. We'll leave the link in the description. You're the boss to cook up saltfish, my brother. You're the boss. Now we're going to put in our tomatoes. Still on the IE. Look at that. Look at this beauty. And we're going to get them all cooked down. See a little time. Constant stirring. Constant stirring. We'll give this another about a minute of stirring and we soon come back. Look at this, y'all. Like in camera, girl. Now look at this, y'all. Let me tell you something. When saltfish cooking in your kitchen, once you're doing it the right way, your kitchen comes to life. Your kitchen comes alive when you're cooking up saltfish inside your kitchen if you're doing it the right way. Now look at this. Now we're going to empty now all of our curry thing inside of this. Still on the IE. Okay, now on the IE, let us incorporate this little curry. Yup. Oh, Jesus. Let's get our flame down a bit. Right down, Papa. Oh, my word. Woo! Jesus. Now, our flame is down, and this is where, again, hot water come in. We want to put a little bit because we want a little gravy because stew. Right in. Get our flame back up a little bit, not definitely on the ice. Now look at this. Ooh, Jesus. Now come right on over here. This is saltfish and a meat. So we never put nothing. But you don't want to put too much in it because the saltfish has its own little cured flavor. So I'm putting a little bit of a celery powder. If you have fresh celery, you can dice a few pieces, put in there. We just want to get a little gig, bring up this thing right up. Right here, I love garlic. You don't know me love garlic. And the garlic that it kind of cook out. So I put a little bit, just a little bit, just a little fresh garlic flavor of garlic flakes. You can put what you want. And look here. Hello? I'm putting a few slices of this brown pepper. I don't know where near, but I know it's a very spicy pepper. And in the name of pepper once more, we're going to be putting a little black pepper. Okay? Put to your liking. Can I say something to you, camera girl? Could you please put the camera on me? Look here. If you know about cooking enough, ask somebody how this tastes enough. If you know about cooking, you would not come down a video like this. I don't think so. I don't think so. Let's go back again and let us to the side. let's put a little bit of our hot water. Mind you, we did not use any salt because we don't want no salt in this dish because we didn't salt up the saltfish too much. Right down to the lowest. Look at those onions. Look at the tomato. Look at those spinners. Do the spinners, the pinners this size. Don't do them any bigger. Look at all this niceness, y'all. When we return, we're going to leave this to simmer on the very lowest heat. And when we return, we'll be plating. A lot of people always in the comment section, Miss Debbie, what would you serve this with? When I return, I'll be showing you the perfect. It can be served with so many things. But I'm going to show you something where we can slap up this way. Okay, now family, simmering. Everything has come together. Okay. And be careful when you're browning off that saltfish. We had a small accident with camera girl. A little of the oil popped and got in our face. But it wasn't anything too much. We took care of that with a little, you know, first aid and all that. So be careful when you're browning off that saltfish. Okay, y'all? Now it's ready. Okay? What do we serve this dish with? Pasta, tonka meal. You know that Jamaican hard boiled Jamaican pot of food, dumpling, banana, yam, pumpkin. It's just about anything. Bulgur, you name it. Just about anything. Put all 2 festivals on the side. But today we have some white rice. Don't cup this white rice. Do not cup this white rice. Put it out like this. This is how you will serve this if you're using rice. If you're using pasta, serve it the same. This is how you want to serve this. Let me show you how you serve this. You see, we are trying to make no mess, but you don't see what go on already. Okay? I'm going to present when I return. I'm going to go clean up. We are back. And we are going to present. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are, to your family table, to your plate, to your stomach, it's curried saltfish stew. You saw me, I did it from scratch. Please do enjoy. This is one of the staples that we would serve this with. Okay? Now, if you have liked all of them, something you want to see me do, all of them things will come up to make this video, all these preparations that we did, and all the ingredients that we use to make this video. And you can also put your little twist to it. You can do what you like, okay? Please give it a thumbs up. Remember to thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay? You no matter the thumbs down. Where else would you see something like this? Only on the, you type it in the comment section. Only on the, type wherever, anywhere else, nowhere else, but on the, type the rest of it in the comment section. Remember to like, share, subscribe. When you do subscribe, lots and lots of notification problem, but we have got to work it out. If you not see you get a notification, run come over upon West India and the light, see what is happening. You know I'm always uploading. Okay, y'all? Now, like, share, subscribe. When you do subscribe, hit the bell. When you hit the bell, leave your comments below. That is how you'll be a part of the post notification crew. And today post notification shout out goes to who, camera girl?
Max 2020 Able.
Max 2020 Able. Manners and respect. I like your name. I like it. I like your name. Okay? Thank you so much for being a part of the Jamaican cooking journey. Please enjoy once more. Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.